Okay guys, welcome to this tutorial. Today we're going to be creating this irregular poly model in Houdini. Okay, so what you want to start off by doing is getting a model off of Mixamo. And once you've downloaded a Mixamo FBX model dance, you're going to want to go into Houdini and drop down a geo node. Dive in, drop down an agent node. Not an agent node, an agent node, my bad. Then on input, set it as FBX, and the FBX file, here's mine, capoeira, and then scroll up, and on current clip, set it to mixamo.com, and you should have your model like that. Mine's 30 FPS, so I'm going to set it to 30 FPS here. You just do it however you need to do it. And yeah. So now you're going to want to drop down a convert node. Then drop down a poly reduce node. And set it to 20. With a percent to keep. Drop down a divide node, and tick on compute joule. Then drop down a poly wire node. And this part here is going to differ, but for me, I'm going to set the wire radius to 0.003, and it should look something like that. And then drop down a normal node, and yeah, you should end up with something like this. And then that is how you create an irregular poly model. Thank you for watching. Have a great day and consider dropping a sub.